Hi everybody, Macy's Beauty Box is here. Let's see what we got. This time I actually went on Macy's website trying to get a look at what's in here. But there was some kind of error on the page and I couldn't look at it. So I'll be surprised right along with you. And I also wanted to tell you about another box that Macy's has on sale right now. It's full of all kinds of really nice deluxe samples, and it's half off. It's normally $50 and now it's $25. I took a quick screenshot of it. I'll show you here. And I wanted to show you guys this 11-piece beauty box from Macy's that's on sale for $24.75. The original price was $49.50. That's half off. It has Totally Foaming Cleanser, 1.69 ounces, Clarins Total Eye Lift, 0.2 ounces, Clinique Mascara, Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Perfume, Purse Spray, 1/4 ounce. It has Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, 1/2 ounce, Elizabeth Arden Hyaluronic Acid Ceramide Capsules, 7 capsules. It has Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask, Kojendo Cleansing Spa Water, MAC Luster Lipstick in the shade Cockney, NARS Mini Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base, Philosophy Pure Grace Shampoo and Bath and Shower Gel. I wanted to let you guys in on this great deal while it's still going on in case you're interested in any of this stuff. Okay, just passing on a little information. Enjoy. Okay, now on to the beauty box for this month. This is for May of 2021. This is the bag and the card with all the information on it. And the usual $5 off your $20 makeup purchase. So now let's see what's in here. As usual, everything is wrapped up in the pink paper. This is everything right here. I feel excited already because I get to try the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer Long Wear Foundation Grip. I did want to try this, and so now I get a chance to. And I'm so glad that it's included in this box. There's the tube. A little squeezy tube like this. And there's the primer. We try it on my hand. It doesn't have a scent, and it has kind of a smooth finish, but a little bit tacky, just slightly. Okay, so that's exciting. I can't wait to try that out. The next we have from Sunday Riley. This is the CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Smells like oranges. It has a nice feel to it too. It's not creamy at all, but it's like a serum. Okay. And then next we have from Elemis, the Peptide 4 Overnight Radiance Peel. This is exciting too because I've never tried this. I believe this is a new product. It says, skin smoothing AHAs and nourishing botanical oils exfoliate the skin for a bright and silky smooth finish by morning. Apply nightly onto clean skin and leave overnight. I might try this one tonight. It smells kind of like some kind of baked good. Something, you know, some kind of food. That's interesting. And then, looks like everything in here is skincare outside of the primer, which is fine. It's new skincare that I've never tried before, or in some cases I've never even heard of it. Like this one. This is called High Maintenance Cannabis Peeling Mask. It says, after a busy week, your face could use a boost. Hemp seed oil and antioxidants help to brighten dullness, remove impurities, and promote healthy skin. Gently massage into damp skin and wash the day away. Okay, so it's like a cleanser, I guess. It says peeling mask, but it says massage it in and rinse it off. Interesting. Ooh, it smells like plastic. There's a weird smell like melting plastic. Or like that stuff. I don't know if you remember this, but there was this kids toy type product that came with a straw, and you would squeeze a glob of it out onto the straw, and you blow on the straw, and it would make like a plastic type ball. It was like a thin ball, but you could like play with it. And anyway, it smells like that. If you remember that toy or whatever that was, then this smells like that. All right. And then from Bare Minerals, this is also a new product. It says new Ageless Retinol Treatment. Plant power is in your corner. Introducing a clean, vegan, and plant-based retinol alternative that's just as effective at reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and sun damage. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to the face at night after cleansing. Okay, another new product to try. This box is really turning out to be something interesting. This is a deluxe sample. It even has a little pump on it. That's nice. And then the final product is from Marc Jacobs. This is called Perfect. And it says, April showers bring May flowers in the form of a bright and feminine fragrance that combines bursts of fresh florals with a mix of calming notes for the perfect spring scent. Okay, let's see. I like floral notes. Okay, let's test it out. Oh, I usually put it on the paper, but I forgot. So hopefully I'll like it. Yes, I do like it. Okay, it's light and fresh and a little bit floral. It's very nice. So for the May 2021 Macy's Beauty Bag, Macy's Beauty Box, we got the Urban Decay All Nighter Longwear Primer. We got the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Serum. We got the Elemis Peptide 4 Overnight Facial Radiance Peel. The High Maintenance Peeling Mask. The Bare Minerals Vegan Retinol Treatment. And Marc Jacobs Perfect Perfume. Oh yeah, this perfume is really nice. I do like it. And the $5 off discount. And the pink bag. Alright, that's everything for the Macy's Beauty Box this month. Thank you for watching. Bye.